Yeah, you want me to be your personal reminder? Shut the fuck up, nigga. What the fuck you think this is? Don't you think I have better things to do than to be reminding you about some stupid TV shows? I don't know. Huh? Me stupid. Nah, it's all good, my nigga, you know what I'm saying? I'll let you know when they come on. Huh? Yo, I have something very important to tell you, Sha. You being by me? There we are. Huh? I want out.